everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy step-to-step process on how to sign up for Disney Plus. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL www.disneyplus.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Disney Plus, which looks like this. Click the login button at the top right hand corner in order to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go and click on this email address text box over here and type in a valid email address. After you are done filling in an email address, click continue. Now on the next page, click on this little box in order to receive special offers and update about Disney Plus and click on agree and continue at the bottom. On the next page, create a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password which will be easier for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. And finally, click continue. In the third step, go ahead and select your plan between monthly or annually and then select your bank from the drop down. In order to use your bank as a payment method for the subscription, you can also use credit card, PayPal in order to continue your subscription. In my case, I'm going to select the credit card option. After you do so, go ahead and type in the name available on your card, the card number, the expiry date for the card, and the CVV or the security code. If you want to save this payment information, you can enable this little toggle button at the bottom. And finally, click on agree and subscribe. So now after you do that, you'll be able to subscribe or sign up for Disney Plus. That is how it can be easily done. After you do so, you'll be able to get access to a wide variety of TV shows, movies from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and much more. That is how you can easily sign up for Disney Plus account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.